Hello. So I'm going to draw Masha. It's the first time I ever drew her. So I like to draw things that are pretty simple. I have done sketches. I have done people, animals, scenery. I've done murals on walls while I was stationed in Germany. I just like to do things that I can finish pretty quickly nowadays. Okay, I'm going to start with 2 round circles for her eyes. Come down here a little bit. And she's just so cute. I like cute little characters. They're just fun to draw. Now, I'm going to kind of clean it up a little bit. Clean as I go. Just using a regular pencil. I have sketching pencils. I'm just keeping it simple right now. Okay, so at the very bottom of the eyes, I'm going to kind of create this little area down here. We're going to draw some lines. Maybe 2 or 3. Okay, and then now you're going to create this little circle, 2 little circles, one slightly bigger than the other, and then you'll just fill in the eye around that circle. And of course use color pencils, color pens, charcoals, whatever it is that you have. And I don't have a whole lot of people who currently on my subscriber forum, if you will, who do sketching. So once I get enough people who like to do drawing, subscribe to my channel. I do giveaways. I have art supplies and different things that I can give away. So please comment and let me know if you're a viewer that does like to draw, and especially if you have videos on your channel. I love to watch your videos. I like to watch other people draw as well. So please make yourself known. Also, please subscribe and like, encourage me in my effort to make videos. Definitely would not say I'm a professional. It's just a hobby, something I do that I enjoy. It's just that simple. Okay, so there's the eyes. And now we're going to put some cute little adorable little lashes right here. Okay. Try to make it equal on the other side. Get another little one right here, a little tiny one right there. Okay, and now right underneath, I guess starting close to the edge of the inside of the eye, we'll just do her cute little smile that she has. Ta-da! Okay, and now right above the eyes, we're going to start right in the middle. We're going to have this little wedge here, and we're going to go and make her bangs. Kind of has some square bangs. Doesn't have to be even. And then the reference point of where the face is going to be is right here. Not too far away from the eyes. And so we kind of come down a little bit on this side. And a little bit over here on this side. And kind of come down to the bottom. Then we're going to go up to the top. And then we're going to make the scarf. You're going to kind of from the left to the right, or if you prefer to go right to left, that's fine. We're going to start to make the crown of the scarf. So right here at the top, it's going to be a little bit thinner of the scarf, and it gets a little bit wider. It should go down. He starts to go out just a little bit. See? Coming out a little bit. Not too much. And then you're going to kind of get to the middle, and you're going to make 2 lines to start your little knot where she ties her scarf. So from here, where it would be her chin, to here, okay, make that knot. And then right here, you're going to come out with the little loop of the knot. And then I'm going to erase this. I apologize for my dog. Nadia, you need to move. You're in her way. There. She's wanting to go to sleep, and the other one's wanting to play, I think. Okay, so there's that. And then we're going to go ahead and come down here. So right underneath this scarf loop here, right underneath that, we're going to bring this dress. She's got this cute little dress on. Okay, and then we're going to go out and do the arms. You start right above this tip of that little scarf thing there, come right underneath that. See, you come right underneath that, and then make the sleeve end and a little bitty thumb, and it kind of looks like a mitten hand. 2 lines, and do the same over here. Make your thumb and your mitten hand and 2 little lines. All right. And down here, bring it up a little bit. Gonna come across and meet to the other side. And then you have 2 lines right here. This is going to be your shoe. Okay. All right, going across there. And then just a teeny tiny little line for the bottom part of the shoe. Almost looks like a little hamburger bun, kind of, sorta. And then you have another little line down here. You can put as many stripes as you want down there. Oh. Okay, and up here, right about here, kind of close to the about the middle of that scarf loop, you bring down her little neck thing, come under here, make this line here, and then of course I'm going to do a cute little heart right here, and then you color it in however you want to color it in. And if you would like me to do a shading, blending video of coloring, please let me know. And that's it for this one. I please appreciate you give a like. Stay tuned for more. And I have a playlist of other drawings. I also do acrylic pour painting if you like that kind of art. Bye!